All right, let's look at the homework one, problem number 19. All right, so let's look at that. All right, so we have this given picture. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe I'll do this. All right, so this is the picture given. And what we want to do is we want to look at it as a transformation from a basic function. All right, which basic function is this? All right, so you can see that this curve, you can see that this is an upside down parabola, so which is probably y equals x squared. So let's see here. D is a y, it looks like a v, so here y equals x squared. So this is going to be the basic one. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, so we got that. All right, so next part, describe the transformation. All right, so here, if you look at it, since it's upside down, so there is definitely going to be a reflection. All right, then let's see, maybe I'll read the question. A graph is reflected in the x-axis, right, and not the y-axis, right? It's reflected about the x-axis. So it's got to be A. I have to check. It's a, let's see, vertically shrunk by a factor of 2. Let's see, is that true? All right, so let's see, vertically shrunk. Actually, it's not. So here's a 1, and originally, it's going to go through 1 comma 1, but reflected it, so it's going to go through 1 comma negative 1. But since it's actually a stretch, let's see, let's double check. All right. Oh, actually, oh, there are more choices. That's good. All right, so reflection about the x-axis, and it's actually stretched by a factor of, let's see, so here, originally going from here, so it's a 1, but it looks like it's 3 times as much. So it's got to be reflection in the x-axis and vertically stretched by a factor of 3. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, last part, write an equation in the graph. All right, so here, so we're going to start with x squared, right? But then first, we're going to apply reflection about the x-axis. So you put the negative sign in front of the function. And then we want to stretch it by a factor of 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.